I spawned in a new world. I set the difficulty to hard, but something was wrong. There were no animals, no zombies, no mobs at all. The world was completely silent. I started gathering wood, feeling watched. Then I heard it. A faint cave sound, but I was on the surface. I crafted a pickaxe and dug down. The caves were empty, but the sounds grew louder. Footsteps, but not mine. I checked the player list. I was the only one on the server. The chat log showed nothing. It had to be a glitch. Deep underground, I found a single chest. As I got closer, I heard a block breaking right behind me. I turned around fast. Nothing. I opened the chest. It was empty. Then the sound of a stone block being placed echoed. I was trapped. A bedrock box formed around me. A message appeared in the chat, "You are the mob now." I hit escape to disconnect. The quit game button was gone. My hunger bar vanished. My hearts turned black. In my inventory, my Steve skin icon was replaced by a zombie's face. The sounds were coming from me.